Yashai, what's the numerical impact of making this initial change and giving your team a visibility into what's working and what isn't?
So what we've seen across hundreds of thousands of teams that are using LinearB to get that visibility, that first layer. So we see some very impressive numbers. PR size typically gets slashed by about a third, which is huge. Overall cycle time, this is the time from first line of code all the way to deployment, is typically reduced on average about 47%. So almost half of the cycle time gets slashed by just having that constant awareness and guidance. If you look inside the cycle time, the segments, so we focus on the PR process, and we split that into two. The first part is pickup time. How long does it take me, the reviewer, to begin reviewing on my PR? I put a PR out there. Now I'm waiting. Nothing's happening until someone starts. That's pickup. And this is slashed by almost a half, 49%. So much quicker response to start. And this is like all the pickup time is idle. No one's doing anything except waiting to get started. So that is slashed by 49%. And then the second part is the review time. From the first comment someone made, they began to review the PR all the way through the back and forth until the PR gets merged. So this is multiple people going back and forth, getting to a decision, and eventually merging the PR, maybe fixing the code in between. That also gets slashed by 47%. So across the board, almost half of the time gets slashed just by being aware, by having the visibility, by having the guidance. Really impressive numbers.
And this continues to improve as you apply. And this continues to improve as you apply customizable workflows as well.
Right. But this is just the first step. This is what you get with visibility and guidance in a few months, and then the second layer, adding on automation and really programming the workflow, you get another jump, and we'll talk about this more.
And this is where those compounding effects really start to be key, because as you mentioned, like PR size is such an early indicator for these kind of lagging indicator DORA metrics. So if you can cut PR size, obviously, as you mentioned, that's going to improve pickup time, because if you start labeling that, people will see, oh, it's not a huge PR. I can actually handle this. It'll improve review time because it takes less time to go through that process. And that clearly has this compounding effect. Here.
Yeah, you have smaller PRs will create a faster cycle, regardless of anything else you do. But when you add automation or you add nudges and awareness of the metrics, you get another layer. And when you do the full automation, you program the workflow, then you get the whole range. Just like, going back to our food analogy, it's like adding exercise.
Totally. That's a great way to put it.